So being a racer myself, I'm pretty excited to come to the street race happening in Chennai, especially because being a racer myself, I've been racing in Asia on the streets, and first time it's happening in number Tamil Nadu, it's number Chennai it's happening in. So I'm here to boost all the teams and all the racers, and I'm really actually very excited, to see the racer, to see the first corner of how the cars are gonna boom into the racetrack.
So this time, both categories, men and women,
A few years ago, I was the only women racer racing on the circuit, and today to see so many racers racing against men is such a beautiful, it's so beautiful to see them race, competing against them, and there are so many girls actually beat the boys, and it's a very nice feeling to see that, you get goosebumps. But it's very sad to see that. We don't have from India women racers much. In fact, no one for car racing. So I think I'm planning to come back next year, and I'm really working hard towards. I'm going to start working hard on my fitness, physically and mentally, and I'm going to give the boys run for their money for sure. I think they pretty much, there's something called track walk we usually have when we go abroad racing on the streets. We have something called a track walk, and then we have a kind of a paper where we actually analyze the corners of the track. We have to, once we go out, we'll know which gears, what corners, what speed, everything. That's how we analyze it. So being an experienced racer, I'm sure there's 90% of the people very experienced on the racetracks. So first corner itself, they would know how the track is performing. 2 laps it takes for a person to know what the track is actually, how fast and what are the gears going to be for every corner. So it's going to be easy for them for sure.
Chennai team is also here. Then, do you have any specified drivers here to show on? Any specified drivers have come here too?
No, actually, Chennai team, it's going to be tough for them with other racers also in the fray. It's going to be tooth and nail finish this time. Chennai, I really doubt if we are going to be at the top, but we have Hyderabad really, very strong racers. We have Goa, we have Kolkata also. So fingers crossed. Let's see, racers, anyone wins, it's good. It's good for the city's improvement. It's good for a lot of youngsters coming up. It's a boost for everyone. Now every single person knows what's car racing. Before it was just Tala Ajit, racing, but now if you say car racing, yes, it happened once in Highland Ground. So that name we have created. So it's something very big.
If there are so many variants, whether this is happening.
Yes, it's a good point, because I was just talking to the few officials yesterday, and I was talking about what if it rains, if it's going to be like heavy rain, 80% rain. They said that it's manageable because they have wet tires, which is it's going to be on the car. But till now, on the first round, they haven't tested the tires yet. So I don't know. The road is completely different compared to the street. So it's very, very different. So I don't know how they're going to manage. And if you see the corners, it's very tight. Because they have still not laid the tires. So it's going to be very tough for them to. If it's going to rain, I think the better man win.